Hello everyone, this is Kim with CIT Signature Transportation, and I'm going to give you a little tutorial on our client portal. We implemented the client portal 9 months ago, so that was August of 2022, and there are still questions that come up because maybe you weren't using it until now. So first of all, you'll go to this address, which is portal.citbus.com/login. You'll type in your email address and the password that I gave you. Log in. From here, you can see the details. That's your name, your address. You can update those. You can update your address, erasing the one I gave you and making it secure for you. You can look at all of your quotations. I'm going to click on that right now. Oh, I don't have any quotations. Well, that's a good thing. That means everything I wanted is booked. You can decline your quotations here. You can accept. Now, it's a provisional booking, so I still require a signature. The signature can be digital, but clicking accept does not sign my paperwork. So please make sure if you do click accept, I send you the provisional booking. It's good for 48 hours. Get back that credit card authorization form if needed and your signed paperwork to officially book it. I'm going to go now and go to my bookings since I don't have any quotes for myself. And yes, it takes a little thinking time. Oh, and here are my bookings. I have a trip on November 17th. It has 4 buses. It's currently uninvoiced. Let's see. Let's look at the trip first. It's thinking. It will show you that this is the booking details. It's firmly booked. I have my client information and then movement 1. So the first bus and the driver is Dakota Holly. The second bus and the driver is Leanne Roundtree. Here's my third bus and the dates and where it's leaving and where it's going. And this driver, Brenda Schmalzried. And finally, the fourth bus for this trip does require wheelchair lift, so that is on there. And we have Don Tope driving. Now, I can also make a payment from here. Click on Make a Payment. Even though it wasn't invoiced, I still accept money. You can do the deposit. Now, our deposit is 10% or $200, whichever is greater. So in this case, it will be the 10%. Or I can pay the balance or any other amount if I'm wanting to make separate payments. And then I just go through and enter all my payment information and I can make that payment. So here's the client portal. It's pretty easy. If you happen to be what we call the parent, in other words, like for me, I'm the child because CIT Charters is my company. They would pay this bill. CIT Charters would have one more click here that would say statement, and you could see all of your statements. Now, the statements, again, are for the company, the paying entity, the parents pay the bills. That is for them. But any trips that you have booked with me, you can see through here on my bookings, and you can make the payment yourself. So you don't have to necessarily bother the boss with that information. If you do have an AP department, I could give them separate login information. I hope this quick little tutorial was very helpful. I look forward to having you use it and confirming your trips and just making sure that, did I get it booked? Did I not get it booked? Oh, good, it's booked. I'm golden. Thank you and have a great day.